some of the content on Moja Love are staged. You understand? Bathini uyajola 99 jub that thing is staged. Nikhe yaphuma vele last year ukuthi kunabanye abantwana ngaze bathole eDurban or Cape Town ukuthi bathi bayajola kanti lo muntu lo ama siblings. Mina ngingamazi mara is soul rest in peace.
Uphumela impumpa ngithi.
Manje kumele ngazi bonke abantu baselimpompo. Mama bangazi limpompo babheka ama video wami total.
Angali like example now walahleka not walahleka washo.
Mina ngashona abantu bazathi sebala abantu mina ngashona abantu abalahlekele bala.
Yeah, abalana selimpompo.
Kanjani? Bangabheka ama video wami. Balahlekelwa kanjani? Balahlekelwe yini?
Okay. And then nalo driver ka charisma shem. Not only him but nalabantu labo bathola accident nabo laba yaphela
kanti bonga su charisma no driver kuphela abanye
angithi engathi imoto ezishayisene not ukuthi like
laba abanyasibazi man masingo isithini isikhathi.
Mara ish. Okay. Bona kuMoja Love thing understand lento kuMoja Love mabadade lento le mabayicala lento le Moja Love bayicala as like it's a reality shows.
It's not only Moja Love, you know those reality shows they called reality shows, they are not real.
What disabled like umuntu oku-wheelchair uyafisa na ukuhamba.
Sure.
Umuntu ongakwazi ukukhuluma naye uyafisa ukukhuluma.
Sure.
So mhlambe maybe example kunabo mem lapha esikolweni like yena uyakhona ukukhuluma as like isikhuluma sikhipha ivoice thina. Ungahleki inca ivoice.
Mina yazi futhi